Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get the glass headphone filter on TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera. To get this effect, go here. This is the effect gallery. Okay, in trending section, remember this image. This is the filter. Okay, suppose you are not finding the filter here in trending section. What you can do, tap on this search button and search for glass headphone. Okay, tap on the first thumbnail. This is the effect. Suppose you are not getting the effect like this from the effect gallery, what you can do, go to your For You page. Okay, and here search for glass headphone filter. Okay, on the top row you will see the effect icon. You can tap there and visit the effect page and use the effect from there, or you can tap on any of this video. On the bottom left corner of the video, you will see the effect icon. It's in yellow. You can tap there and you will be directed to the effect page. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. That's it. Likewise also you can get this effect. Suppose you are not getting the effect like this also from For You page, what you can do, let me go back. Okay, visit this website. Link to this website I will give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap there. You will be directed to the effect page. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. That's it, you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this effect on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.